Hello everybody. Today we will talk about filters and sorting that we can use in the Myzamir application. Let's have a look at the application. We can sort and filter records both on the left panel and in the messaging table. Let's start with the panel which shows lists of different keys. The search field you can see with the search pattern placeholder there. It allows you to work easily with the long lists. You can just type some value there and press enter, or click search button on the right, and the list will be positioned to the demanded item. Another button on the right allows you to filter interactions by some attributes, like media type or tenant ID. For example, I can type email in this search pattern and set media type filter to get a list of only email interactions. And there are only emails in the list. Also, I can try to filter interactions by interaction type. For example, inbound interaction type, and we see only inbound interactions. To clear filter, we need to select clear filter option. Okay, what is next? Next is sorting. By default, interactions in the list are sorted by interaction ID. But when I open in this list a context menu, I can change the sorting to reverse it. And also I can sort the interactions not by interaction ID, but by their activity. Activity means how many messages are related to interactions. And this value you can see right after the interaction ID. For example, the first one has 55 messages. And if I select order by activity, the most intensive interaction is on the top. And again, I can reverse order here. Okay, it's clear and it's very simple. Now let's have a look at the messages table. The messages are ordered by timestamps, and what we can do is we can reverse the order clicking on the timestamp column header. Now the most recent messages are on the top. But don't try order messages by another columns. It will not work. The only ordering by timestamp is available in the application. Plus to that, we can also apply some filter to the messages in the table. Let's select this interaction and press this filter button. You can see a long list of predefined attributes that can be used in the filter. And basically, you can select any one of them, or you can type some custom user data and assign some value to this field to create a filter. Let's apply a filter by user data with key last name. I can see this user data in the list because it was previously added to the additional attributes. And this value is supposed to be e-services. Add, OK. And what we see, only interactions having user data e-services are selected. And totally in the list, we see only 59 messages instead of 97, which would be shown without that filter. What if I'm planning to use that filter in the future? I can save it to a file. Let's open, save, like this file. Last name, e-service, it's already presented here. Save, we write it. Now I'm going to clear and remove it. We have no filter. And then I open the saved filter. I don't need to create it one more time. It's already saved to the file, and apply. See, the result is the same. Let's open the filter dialog one more time, and we'll show the operations that can be used to compare the key value to the pattern. SQL start with contains a lot of them. Also, you can select logical operations between and or, and add as many conditions as you need. And at the end, just a few words about the other buttons that we can see on the messages table toolbar. This button just help you to jump to the very first record in the list, this one to the last record. You can type some record number in this field, 10, and use this button, jump to this record, number 10. And these two buttons, left and right arrows, will work as a page up and page down for the list. Currently, we have just one page, so we cannot show it. But if you have a long enough list, for example, you can just use this button. And this value shows you can define it how many lines supposed to be on your page. Or, for example, in my case, it's 500 lines. If I, for example, apply 20 lines, I can use these buttons to change the pages, and each page has only 20 lines. And that's all for today. And thank you for your time. Goodbye till the next session. And now a short review of this video.